All right, we made it to our hike for today. It's going to be a 6 mile hike. We're going to a lookout, Mom. What's it called?
Frying pan lookout.
Frying
Pan lookout.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the road's closed, so we gotta hike 6 miles.
So we're
Up a
hiking
road.
it
Up a mountain.
Yes, sir.
instead of driving.
No, I'm gonna thug it out.
Let's get this party started.
Well, we tried to go on that hike on the road over there, but apparently it was 10 miles long.
Yeah.
Some foreigner or local, I guess, was right? Local.
Yeah.
Local.
Yeah, he lived there.
He was riding his bike and was like, "Oh, you're looking at about 4.5 miles."
Yeah.
And that's too far.
So now we found this little trail to a lookout. I don't remember what it's called, but
Overlook from the road.
yeah. Here comes everybody else. Down yonder.
Easy.
But now we're just hiking here and see how far it is. We have no idea how far this one is, but it can't be more than 5 miles. So. Well, we did kind of a hike. It wasn't very far, but we walked the trail. It was pretty. It was fun. I think we're going to go find a waterfall now. I'm excited for that. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. The hike we're going to go on just didn't work because everything's closed. Because they closed it down for the winter. But hopefully we find another trail and hopefully see a waterfall.
Absolutely. That was a good walk, though. Nice
Yeah.
way to get some energy out.
Autumn's learning how to walk on her leash. She's doing very good.
Very, very good.
Brennan's very proud of her. But yeah, let's hope we can turn this hiking experience around and go find a waterfall. That's such a good girl. Autumn, May, you're such a pretty girl. Well, we made it to the falls. You can see right behind me. It's a pretty quick hike. What do you think of the hike?
Well, it was a pretty nice hike. A little muddy, but it was definitely worth going behind the waterfall. It was pretty cool. Autumn enjoyed it.
The whole family's here. Hi. But yeah, it was a fun hike. Definitely worth it. He is. I got wet. Oh.
Keeping us safe this far. Continue to guide us to just be close to you and go towards each other more.
We're outside. It is late in the day, but taking the dogs outside because we're going to go into town. So they're going to stay home. So we brought them outside to get some energy out, and then we're going into town. That's all I know. We don't really know much here. We're just along for the ride.
Yep. Gonna be a fun day.
Yeah.
Happy New Year's Eve.
It is New Year's Eve. I forgot about that.
Quarter century.
Quarter century?
Yeah. 100 years is a century. It's 2025. Obviously, she's confused.
It's chaotic. We're getting ready to go.
Yep, to some stores in Brevard.
It's been quite some time since we last spoke about leaving.
Mm-hmm.
Usually it takes us a while to get out of the house.
Yeah.
You seem jolly.
I'm happy. Just chilling.
Well, I don't really have much else to say. Do you?
I'm tired. Happy New Year's Eve again.
Oh yeah, we talked about that last.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know what century is now.
No, you don't know what century it is. It's almost a
No,
quarter century.
listen. No, you
No,
get
what you just said was,
it.
now we know what
We're done.
century. We got some hiking boots. They're a Bose, O-B-O-Z, as you can see. Right? Oh, wobbled the camera a little bit here.
Here, mine.
Yeah. I burned mine on the fireplace.
Not your
Tried
hiking
to-
boots, your
well,
regular shoes.
Regular shoes. I tried to dry them out. They got burned. So We got some hiking boots. It's a fun time. We got some ice cream from.
I don't remember the place called, but it's in the.
It's a common Kilwins.
It's really good.
Yeah, we got some fudge too.
Extremely good.
Autumn
Dogs
May,
are
what are you doing?
crazy as usual. Autumn, come here. Come here.
Oh,
Girl.
the sweetest baby.
Come here, girl.
Oh, the sweetest baby. Oh, the sweetest baby. Oh, the
See
sweetest
here.
baby.
She just loves me. That's a good girl. That's a good girl.
Oh my gosh. Oh, the bestest girl, the bestest girl.
Go play.
We love our dog.
Yeah, she's pretty cool.
We're gonna start dinner after you feed the dogs.
No, you're gonna start dinner,
Yeah, you're.
and I'm gonna feed the dogs.
Yeah.
And yeah.
First rule of thumb when cooking a good steak, don't leave them unattended.
Fit check.
Francesca's.
Oh, Francesca.
Oh, yeah. This is
Oh
fun.
yeah, Bobby.
I don't know where that's
That's okay. They just want to know where the pants are.
Hollister. Francesca's Hollister 90.
Show them off. Do a little dance.
The little Daddy.
Thank you for this evening. Thank you for allowing us to do this for the New Year's. You